Hello, good morning, friends. Today I have come with the same topic, pronoun, part 2. In our previous classes, we learned about pronoun and its name of the kinds and we discussed few of the kinds, definitions, and the examples. So, in our previous classes, we read about personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, subjective pronoun, compound pronoun. So, today we are going to talk about or discuss about the topic demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and relative pronoun. So, first of all, we will talk about demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, the pronoun which points or refers to somebody or something is called a demonstrative pronoun. The pronoun which refers, it means you point out to something or some person, that is called demonstrative pronoun. जब हम किसी चीज़ पे इंगित करते, किसी भी चीज़ पे हम इशारा करते, चाहे वो व्यक्ति हो चाहे वो वस्तु हो, उसे हम demonstrative pronoun कहते हैं. हम कुछ उदाहरण देख लेंगे. You can see some examples over here. This pen is mine. This pen is mine. You can see here, this is my pen. So in demonstrative pronoun we learn about these, that, these, those. These, that, these, those. See over here example. This is my pen. This is my pen. So here this is referring to pen. This is यह मेरा कलम है. That is your pen. वह तुम्हारा कलम है. That is your pen. These are their flowers. वे उनके फूले हैं. Those are our fields. वे हमारे खेत हैं. So these, that, these, those, all these words are called DP, demonstrative pronoun. If you talk about this and that, this refers to nearer things and also singular thing. This refers to singular thing. And that refers to far thing, but far thing and singular thing. If you talk about these and those, this also refers to nearer but in plural form. Those far and plural. So you can see singular and plural. If we talk about, so these, that are singular and these, those are plural. You can see. So this is indicating a person. Here it is indicating pen. Here it is flowers, fields. All are things. If you say that is Rahul, no. So you are indicating your person. And for your kind informations, there is not only demonstrative pronoun, but there is also demonstrative adjective also. How can we identify that this is adjective or this is pronoun? If there is, see, this pen is mine, that pen is yours, these flowers are theirs, those fields are ours. So what is the common thing? That after this, that, these, those, there are nouns. And here you can see after this, that, there are verbs. These are verbs. So whenever there is noun before this, that, these, those, then you will call it demonstrative adjective. But when there is verb and before it there is this, that, these, those, that is called demonstrative pronoun. Because adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun. So this is qualifying pen, that is qualifying pen, these flowers, those fields. In this way, this is demonstrative adjective and this is demonstrative pronoun. So not only we are reading about pronoun, but also we are reading about adjective also. There are few kinds that has been repeated in adjective also, just like distributive, demonstrative, interrogative. Now we'll talk about distributive adjective, distributive pronoun. The pronoun which show that a person or thing are taken one at a time is called a distributive pronoun. इसको हम बारी बारी से लेते हैं, जैसे कि सपोज दैट देयर आर 4 स्टूडेंट्स एंड आई वांट टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट चॉकलेट्स. सो आई विल गिव 4 स्टूडेंट्स 4 चॉकलेट बट साइमल्टेनियसली, one at a time, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so there are 4 persons. If you give chocolate to these persons one at a time, first to him, then to him, then to him, then to him, that is called distributive pronoun. You are distributing something but simultaneously. Otherwise, each of the boys is guilty. जो भी लड़के हैं सभी क्या है, दोषी हैं. ईच बॉय इज गिल्टी. आइदर ऑफ द 2 रोड्स लीड्स टू काशीपुर. इट आइदर मीन्स दोनों, आइदर ऑफ दोनों में से कोई एक रोड जो है काशीपुर जाता है. नाइदर ऑफ द 2 रोड्स, दोनों में से कोई नहीं. नाइदर मीन्स दोनों में से कोई नहीं. नाइदर ऑफ द 2 रोड्स लीड्स टू काशीपुर. सो आइदर इज इन पॉजिटिव सेंस एंड आइदर इज इन नेगेटिव सेंस. Hope you are understanding. Now we will go through interrogative pronoun. Now we will talk about interrogative pronoun. See, interrogative pronoun, the pronoun which asks question is called an interrogative pronoun. वो pronoun जो question पूछता है, सवाल करता है. जैसे देखिए, who are you? Where are you going? Whom do you love? Who are you means आप कौन हैं. Who are you going? Where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं. Whom do you love? तुम किससे प्यार करते हो. So these WH words, who, where, whom, are interrogative pronoun. In the same manner, if this is interrogative pronoun, then this is interrogative adjective also. See, what book do you like? Which train is late? So here what, which is taking noun. So this is interrogative adjective and this is interrogative pronoun. There are 9 WH words: who, what, whose, when, whom, how, which, where, why. Now, so these all words helps to make question words. Now we'll talk about indefinite pronoun. The pronoun which refers to persons or things in general way is called an indefinite pronoun. वो pronoun जो किसी भी चीज़ को, कोई व्यक्ति को या कोई भी चीज़ को जनरल वे में आम तौर के रूप में पेश करते हैं या दिखाते हैं, दर्शाते हैं. उसे कहते हैं हम लोग indefinite pronoun. जैसे look here, some are nice boys, all are nice boys. Here we don't know either he is Ram or Shyam or other. Okay, but this is in a general way. Some are nice boys, all are nice boys. So here some, all is working as indefinite pronouns. In the same manner, some boys are nice, all boys are nice. If here this is indefinite pronoun, then this is indefinite adjective. Here are some more pronouns: many, anybody, somebody, everything, everybody, one, no one, nobody, nothing, something, etc. If you take one more example of indefinite pronoun, then you can say something is better than nothing. Something better than nothing. So You can use in this manner. I hope you are getting it, understanding it. The more you read, the better you feel, better you understand. So you should go through this. Now we'll talk about another pronoun that is called reciprocal and relative pronoun. Now we will talk about relative pronoun. The pronoun who, whom, which, that are the pronouns which join two sentences and also refers back to a noun going before them. वो नाउन जो दो वाक्य को जोड़ता है कि नहीं, और नाउन के बदले में आता है, तो क्या कहेंगे? रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. You can take some examples. This is the boy. This is the boy whose parents met me yesterday. मीन्स ये वही लड़का है इसके माता पिता मुझे कल मिले थे. So here whose is relative pronoun. Why is it relative pronoun? Because it is joining two sentences. Two sentences. Because this is the first this is the boy, then his parents met me yesterday. So these are two sentences, and that two sentences are joined by the word whose. Suppose that we will take one more example. This is the school. This is the school. ये वही school है. Which taught me to be a man. ये वही school जो मुझे इंसान बनना सिखाया. So the word which is working as relative pronoun. Another example. The book that you gave me yesterday is interesting. The book that you gave me yesterday is interesting. The person talking about the book which you took from him was very interesting. So here the book that is joining two sentences. The book that you gave me yesterday is very interesting. Another example. I met Ram, who used to be my friend. मैं किससे मिला? I met Ram. I met Ram. One sentence. He used to be my friend. So you can see there are two sentences. I met Ram. He used to be my friend. So these two sentences are joined together by this. I met Ram, who used to be my friend. So in this way, whose, which, who, what, that are used as relative pronoun because it's joining two sentences. Hope you are getting it. Now we'll talk about reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. Now we talk about reciprocal pronoun. The pronoun each other and one another is called a reciprocal pronoun. They are made for each other. वे दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए बने हैं. दूसरे के बने हुए हैं. Each other is used for two persons. Two persons. And one another, they distributed the chocolates with one another. Means more than two. More than two persons. So this is called reciprocal pronoun. I hope you all are getting it. You have understood the chapter. In our next video, we are going to talk about adjective and their kinds. Thank you so much. That's it.